There's a lot of age-appropriate conversations you can have with your children with regard to money. First, with regard to acquiring money. Do your children know what you do to make money? Right now, you meet so many people who have embraced shortcuts in life. It's because we're not talking about how money is made. We must be able to mold the relationship between effort and reward. Let your children know what you do for money. If possible, go with them to where you work. If it's a business, end now. And I see Indians do this, and it helps in molding and mentoring their young ones. If it's a workplace, and on a Saturday, it's possible for you to go with them at least once in a while, they will understand that when mom lives here, she goes somewhere. She does some things, then she waits for money at the end of the month. When dad lives here, he goes to some place, he does something, and waits for money. We must know the importance of this waiting period. Because in the process of wealth creation, there are no shortcuts.
Absolutely.
It's a process.
Very true.
So we must talk to our children about money.
Yeah.
They have to know how you do your shopping. Go with them to the supermarket. Let them see how you make decisions.
Yes.
Let them learn about savings. Wabaie uto to saving boxes. Waanze kutupatupa tu vitu hapo.
Yeah.
But before they get the tu vitu they're throwing there, make them understand the relationship between effort and reward. Don't do child labor, but let them appreciate that before they get a shilling for a sweet, they helped mom to sweep. You have to draw the line between child labor and molding, all right? But you cannot just be sweeping and the children are seated and doing nothing. Mold. When they come, we have parents who are saying, my children should not go through what I went through. So what we're doing is we are creating yes children. We are yes parents ourselves. So when they come, Dad, I need a toy. Yes. Mom, I need a bike. Yes. So we've not taught our children no. And that's why after school, they can't knock doors. When they knock a door and they're told no, they can't take it. They commit suicide because it's rejection. They've not been molded to accommodate rejection, to accommodate a no as an answer.